Assalamu alaikum viewers. Excavating only 15 encroached canals could resolve approximately 80% of Dhaka's persistent waterlogging problem, according to a recent study. River and Delta Research Center (RDRC), a non-government research organization, has recently conducted the study that identifies 9 waterlogging prone areas in the capital and offers solution to the ongoing problem. The canals recommended for excavation include Rupnagar Main Khal, Baunia Khal, Baishteki Khal, Sangbadik Colony Khal, Kallanpur Khal, Ibrahimpur Khal, Panthopath Box Culvert Khal, Rayar Bazar Khal, Jirani Khal, the south end of Rampura Khal, Dolai Khal, Kadamtali Khal, and Manda Khal. The study identified 9 waterlogging hot spots: Pallavi Shialbari, Rupnagar, and Eastern Housing, Kalshi and Mirpur 11, Tolarbagh, Ahmednagar, and Paikpara, Sheorapara, Kajipara, and Kafrul, Kolabagan, Dhanmondi 27, Kathalbagan, Green Road, and Hatirpul, Hazaribagh, Nawabganj, Rayar Bazar, West Dhanmondi, and Dhaka New Market, Rampura and Badda, Sutrapur, Wari, Nawabpur, Kazi Alauddin Road, Siddiq Bazar, Narinda, and Tati Bazar, Jurain, Siddhirganj, Zakir Manzil, Shampur, Purbo Jurain, Saddam Market, and Rayarbagh. The study, titled Waterlogging in Dhaka City and Our Encroached Canals, was conducted in July. RDRC Chairman Muhammad Ejaz said, once there were 77 canals and lakes to channel the rainwater from the capital, but many of them either partially or completely were encroached. Some 80% of the city's waterlogging problem will be solved if we can now excavate these 15 canals, he said, adding that the engagement of local people and community and strong political commitment are required in the process to clear these water bodies. Among the 15 canals, Rupnagar Main Khal should be excavated for addressing the waterlogging problem of Shialbari, Pallavi, Rupnagar, and Eastern Housing, while Baunia Khal, Baishteki Khal, and Sangbadik Colony Khal for Kalshi and Mirpur 11, Kallanpur Khal for Tolarbagh, Ahmednagar, and Paikpara, Ibrahimpur Khal and Kallanpur Khal for Sheorapara, Kajipara, and Kafrul, Panthopath Box Culvert Khal for Kalabagan, Dhanmondi 27, Kathalbagan, Green Road, and Hatirpul, Rayar Bazar Khal, and the end portion of Jirani Khal for Hazaribagh, Nawabganj, Rayar Bazar, West Dhanmondi, and Dhaka New Market, south end of the Rampura Khal for Rampura and Badda, Dolai Khal for Sutrapur, Wari, Nawabpur, Kazi Alauddin Road, Siddiq Bazar, Narinda, and Tati Bazar, Kadamtali Khal and Manda Khal for Jurain, Siddhirganj, Zakir Manzil, Shampur, Purbo Jurain, Saddam Market, and Rayarbagh. After the independence, there were 57 canals in Dhaka, but this number has diminished to 26, most of which are in poor condition. Source UNB Dhaka Tribune. Thank you very much.